So our next topic is spherical capacitors. Spherical capacitors, to calculate the potential of the spherical capacitor, we have to draw the spherical capacitor, means a capacitor having the two plates, and these plates are in the form of spheres. So this is one plate having a radii B, and this plate having radii A. There is a large sphere, and inside this there is a small sphere. So from here we have to calculate electric field intensity. First of all, we have to calculate electric field intensity, and to calculate potential difference we have to apply the formula we have studied already, that V is equal to E dot dr. E dot dr. So to calculate potential, we have to calculate electric field intensity first of all. Now charges are distributed over these two spheres. On the plate A, positive charges are distributed, and on the plate B, charges are negative charges. And the charge density here is Q, negative Q, and on plate A the charge density is positive Q. So in first step we will calculate the electric field intensity. So to calculate electric field intensity, here we have to apply Gauss theorem. So what is Gauss theorem? That is closed integral E dot ds. E dot ds. What is ds? Here we have draw a Gaussian surface in between the two plates, and on this Gaussian surface we have draw a area vector, and which is perpendicular outward, and the direction of this ds is towards the electric field intensity E, means the angle between E dot ds is 0 degree. So here E dot ds cos of 0 degree is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Now E into ds, close integral of ds is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Now integral of ds means this surface is in the form of sphere, so area of this sphere, that is area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So from here E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. Now we have calculated the value of E. Now potential difference between the two plates, plate A and plate B. Potential difference between the plate A and B having radius A and B. The smaller sphere has radius A, and this greater sphere has radius B. So therefore potential is equal to B to A, not A to B, B to A. Therefore V is equal to minus B to A E dot dr. Now E dot dr means E dr, again but angle between E and dr is small distance. Dr means small distance in this direction. So E or angle between E dot dr is equal to 0. So cos 0, E dr cos 0. So only we get V is equal to B to A integration minus B to A E dot E dr. Now put the value of this, put the value of dr here. The value of dr is, the value of E. Put the value of E from equation 1. So value of E is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square into dr. Now V is equal to this Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, and it is out of integration, minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and integration B to A r this r upon Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square hai, on upper side it becomes r minus 2 into dr. So V is equal to minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So integration of this r raised to power minus 2 is r raised to power minus 1 upon minus 1, means formula is, what is the formula? That is integration x raised to power n into dx, and is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So r raised to power, here r raised to power minus r plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So we get r raised to power minus 1 upon minus 1 v2a. Now potential, here potential V is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This r raised to power minus 1, we can write 1 upon r here, b to a. Now put the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. At the place of r, we will put a and b. So v is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon a minus 1 upon v. So v is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here ab is the LCM, so v minus, this comes v minus a. Now we have the values of, we have calculated the value of v. So we have to calculate the capacitance of the spherical capacitor. So we know C is equal to, capacitance C is equal to q upon a v. So q upon, put the value of v, this is equation number 2. So put the value of v from this equation, that is q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into b minus a upon ab. Now after solving, we get C is equal to this 4 pi epsilon naught. On this side becomes 4 pi epsilon naught. AB, this term will rotate here. 4 pi epsilon naught AB upon B minus A. Now it means capacitance of this spherical capacitor depends upon the outer and the inner radii of the capacitor. So this is about the spherical capacitor. So one more article is there, that is cylindrical capacitor, and we will discuss in our next lecture.